this is Gigi from Machinery here, and this is our 125 Rotary drilling rig. Let's take a look at this SANY SR125 Rotary drilling rig, a compact, flexible rig, and works great in cities or right job sites. I'm in the driving cabin. You can see the driving cabin is very clean and spacious, and the vision is very wide. And this rotary drilling rig is made 2021, so it's well maintained and close to new. And powered by Isuzu engine, this SR125 perfect for medium depth drilling, small to mid-sized building foundations. If you want high performance with easy mobility, this SR125 is the most suitable choice for you.